In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync Trello with Google Calendar so you can see all your tasks and deadlines in one place. If you use Trello to manage projects but rely on Google Calendar to plan your day, syncing the two can completely streamline your workflow. By the end of this video, your Trello board will be connected to Google Calendar and updating automatically. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account. Once you're inside Trello, head over to your Boards page. This is where all of your project boards are listed. From here, click on the board that you want to sync with Google Calendar. Make sure you choose the board that contains the tasks with due dates you want to see in your calendar. After your board opens, look toward the bottom middle bar of the screen and click on Planner. The Planner view is what allows you to visualize your cards in a calendar-style layout. If you don't immediately see your tasks on a calendar, make sure your cards have due dates assigned, since Trello uses due dates to sync with Google Calendar. Once you're inside the Planner view, look for the option that says Connect to Calendar. Click on Connect to Calendar to begin the integration process. Trello will now show you different calendar options that you can sync with. From the available options, click on Google. This tells Trello that you want to connect your board to a Google Calendar account. A Google sign-in window will pop up asking you to choose the Google account you want to connect. Select the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. Next, Google will ask you to grant permission so Trello can access your calendar. Review the permissions carefully, then click Allow. This step is necessary because Trello needs permission to create and manage calendar events based on your card due dates. Once connected, your Trello board will sync with Google Calendar. Any card with a due date will automatically appear as an event in your selected Google Calendar. If you update the due date in Trello, it will update in Google Calendar as well, helping you keep everything aligned without manual entry. To make sure everything is working properly, open Google Calendar in a new tab and check your calendar list on the left-hand side. You should see the Trello connected calendar there. If it's not immediately visible, refresh the page and confirm that the correct calendar is selected. From now on, whenever you create a new Trello card and assign a due date, it will automatically sync to Google Calendar. This is perfect for managing deadlines, content schedules, client projects, or team tasks all in one unified system. And that's it. You've successfully synced Trello with Google Calendar. Now you can manage your projects in Trello while keeping your schedule organized in Google Calendar without double work. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.